Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's time for your weekly love bite. Sorry, weekend love bite. This is backed by popular demand. I'm so glad to see you all enjoying this. I started this as fun, but some of you have sent me comments to say how much you're loving them. So I think we'll make it a regular feature. What do you say? So I'll try and school myself, Libra, to post these every Thursday nights, Friday mornings. I hope I succeed. And the ones who have anything to kind of say, please put in a like or something. Let me know whether you guys want it or are enjoying it. The only thing that motivates me to post is you. Okay, so when I read your comments or see your likes, I feel like doing another reading for you. So help me out, please. It'll just kind of spur me to continue them for you. So Libra, these are general collective readings, okay? So will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you. Leave the rest. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send us the messages we need to hear the most for them for this weekend. Thank you. So let's begin, Libra. My subscribers, of course, know about this, but my newbies, this is a mini read, just 3 cards each, 3 for you, 3 for your partner, and what can we expect this weekend. Of course, your longer readings are also getting done. They'll be uploaded, I think, Monday, but this is just for this weekend. So if you enjoy them, do join us and subscribe to this channel and become part of this little Omkara family. We meet here weekly, and now weekends as well. Hopefully. Okay, someone's taking stock of their life, or what they've done, what they haven't done, what they should do. Before I open your cards, Libra, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top this reading as well. So my angels, what do you have for Libra for this weekend? What do you have for Libra? Miracle. All right. Is Libra looking for a miracle, or is a miracle coming towards you? Let's put this card aside. It's a beautiful card to get. I just hope there is a miracle coming for you, Libra. Or tell me honestly, are you waiting for some kind of miracle to happen? Have you been wishing for something? Let's see if it's going to come true this weekend. Ace of Swords in reverse. No communication happening here, Libra. Oh, here's your card as well. Justice is here. Let's see. The Emperor is here as well, so that could be dealing with an Aries. And the Two of Cups. Oh, okay. So, Libra, it seems right now there's been some problem with communication. Things have not been clear, and somebody has either come across as a player here who's been in and out of somebody's life, and somebody's taking, trying to kind of they want justice now, okay? But somebody here, I think, has not been able to, be clear on their intentions till now. They have been maybe in and out of the other person's life, maybe just never really brought justice to the situation, but they are very passionately wanting to move ahead now with this situation. So let's have a card of clarification. Spirit, what is this Ace of Swords? Here's the Emperor again. Trying to make a decision. Okay, somebody wants to take back control. They want to make a decision. They are not happy at all because communication has come to a halt. Okay, so maybe earlier this person was in and out, and being a player and dealing with multiple parties. There were third party situations here, but I think this person is now closing out that chapter of their life, and they want to now not do this anymore, these third parties and playing around and whatever. Maybe earlier, Libra, this could be you, okay, or this could be your cross watcher. So earlier, maybe one person was in this energy of, being that player, having many girlfriends or boyfriends or whatever, and now they want to turn their back. enough is enough. I don't want to do this anymore. I want one person and I want them passionately and badly. This has not been very clear in the past. There was, whatever some communication problem was here in the past, and they couldn't make up their mind maybe at one point. So, they didn't know what to say because they themselves were not clear about which side they wanted to go, whether they wanted to play around or they wanted a relationship. But now that things haven't worked out, I think, with their person, now they're feeling, oh my God, this is no fun. There's no fun, to just play around and never have no stability in my life. So somebody here is wanting now to take back charge and take back control of their life. So what is this Justice card, Spirit? What is this Justice card? Apart from it being a Libra card, too many cards here. One card, Spirit, for the Justice card. Why is this Justice card here? I don't think any apology or any love offer has been made here, Libra, because I think the person A, whoever the masculine I think is here, has not yet received or given an apology or a love offer. Right now they feel they are being blocked. Okay, they feel person B is totally blocking them, is not allowing them back in, because I think they got caught. They got caught with third parties, and they couldn't maybe make a decision at that point or whatever. So as much as person A is trying to now bring in justice back to this relationship, they know that they are being blocked. So there is an Emperor in reverse here. Spirit, why is this Emperor in reverse? Somebody here was almost a narcissist here, was very controlling, went in the wrong direction. But now I think they've spent a lot of time in, isolation. They have taken stock of their life. They have thought about it. They are enlightened now, and they are now wanting to come out of this stuck place. Libra, this could be you, right? This could be you or your cross watcher. So there is one person here who had third parties, who couldn't make a decision, who went the wrong way, and because of that, their person, who they didn't know was their person, and maybe at that point left them and blocked them off. Now this person A, is feeling, oh my God, what did I do? I want to now go back, but now I don't have the power or control. But there is this Spirit, there is this beautiful Two of Cups here. What is this? What's this Two of Cups? Oops. Yeah, somebody walked away from this equation. After all this was found out, one person, I think this was a loving relationship, like a soulmate connection or something. One person has just left this dynamic altogether. And person A is now feeling that loss of power. They were trying to be, this person earlier, the Emperor upright, and I'm the boss, and it's my way or the highway, and I'm going to have my three third parties whenever I want to, and I'm not going to show you love or say my apologies or anything like that. But I think karma kind of bit them. Justice has arrived, and now they are feeling like the Emperor in reverse now. Okay? And now they are trying to take stock of, oh my God, my person walked away, and this is the person I really loved. So one more card, Spirit, for the Two of Cups. Yeah, now they're clear. I mean, this again could be you, Libra. This is your card again. So now you're totally clear about, what path you have to follow. You want to have a clear communication. You want to move ahead. But now what are you going to do? You don't have the control anymore because your person has walked away from you. So if you didn't do justice to them, then let's see what's coming up anyway in your mutual energy. Yeah, this thing has almost kind of come to a close here, Libra. Things have almost come to a close with this person's walking away, and now you're feeling the loss of love. Now you're feeling like, where's my love gone? And you know exactly what you did. You know exactly what you did. If it could be a cross watcher, but somebody's, did the nasty and walked away, sneaked out, or did something, and this kind of backfired on the person who did it. And now they're sitting here in their emotions. sitting in their emotions because this other person has now is not no longer giving them any love or attention or whatever. They feel things are not right. They feel justice is now in reverse. And just as I said that, my battery has kind of asking me to put it back on. Just give me a second, Libra. Sorry. So let's take your mutual cards and see what's coming up for this weekend. I don't see much here, but let's hope. King of Cups in reverse. Knight of Swords. Wow. And the Judgment. So, oh my God, Libra, whoever the masculine energy is here, is wanting to charge forward with some harsh communication, even though all they have in their heart is love. They're going to hide all that, be emotionally manipulative. They're going to come and demand the feminine's love here with bad words, I mean harsh words, to maybe blame the other person, even though they know they're at fault. And maybe, ask them to have a restart and a re-beginning with them. Let's see if this is going to work out. Spirit, King of Cups in reverse. The Devil in reverse. Okay. One more card. Devil in reverse. Okay, so they've been really stressed out. This King of Cups, who is now, knows that they've been emotionally manipulative or whatever, they are wanting to release this devilish energy that they've been in, whether it was pride, whether it was ego, whether it was fear, regret, whatever. They are still sitting up. Okay, this is weekend, okay, so they are, I think, still stressed out. They're big time stressed out, but they want to charge. They want to come towards their person, like now, like yesterday, if possible. But they are still here, okay, crying and worrying and stressed out. So what's this Knight of Swords, Spirit? But there is a miracle card here also, Libra. Let's see what's happening. What's this Knight of Swords for this weekend, Spirit? Yes, you know what, this masculine, what they want to say, hey, listen, I'm here. I have made a choice. I want to end this fight. And that's it. This is what they want to come and say quickly. Like don't think. I'm thinking for you. They want to emotionally manipulate you, I think, once again, by telling you, this is my decision, that we will not fight anymore and we should get back together. Judgment. What's this Judgment card? It's a card of rebirth and restart and a brand new life, and it's upright, which is very positive. So let's see what this Judgment is, Spirit, for Libra. They know they haven't invested enough to have a re-beginning, of course. But they want control, they want to have balance, they want to bring back stability, they don't want to think anymore, they've done their introspection, they are sick and tired of thinking about the situation, they are wanting to now come and offer you something stable. But guess what? The feminine is still angry, right? As much as the masculine is coming in for a rebirth or wanting this rebirth, wanting to start something stable, the feminine energy here right now is still upset. So yes, Libra, it's really going to take you a miracle, it's going to take a miracle for this new beginning to begin again. So start praying now if this is you or the cross watcher, because a lot of secrets, I think, have been revealed to this feminine now, and I don't think she's in her best mood right now to kind of have any fresh beginning with you. Earlier maybe you were rejecting her, and now she may not be most excited to give you a fresh new beginning. So yes, Spirit is saying start praying for a miracle. Maybe that's the only way it'll work. So that's all I have for you for the weekend, Libra. I hope it works out for you or your cross watcher. Do leave a little like and let me know if you're enjoying these weekend readings, okay? And if you need a private reading, you can always reach out to me. The email is in the description box below. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.